Top 7 Best Travel Drone in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. Swellpro SPRY. Not many drones come with waterproof features, so if this is something you're looking for, the Swellpro SPRY is the right drone for you. It can go as deep as 1 meter underwater without breaking, which is useful to know if you plan on flying in a lot of water-risky environments, such as stunning shots across lakes, rivers, or ocean surfaces. Not to mention you can even land and take off from water. The drone itself is the heaviest on this list, weighing just over 3 kg. It gives you 12 MP images as well as 4K videos, which you can store on an external SD card. While it can resist rainy conditions and up to 10 mph of wind, we still recommend that you fly it only during good weather. This will help you keep the drone working and functioning for longer. Additionally, the Swellpro SPRY is easy to fly and perfect for beginners. One thing that could be improved is its relatively short battery, which lasts only around 17 minutes. This can be a deterrent if you're planning long adventures during your travels. Number 6. Holystone HS720. The Holystone HS720 is arguably one of the best travel drones in its class, boasting a 4K camera, an intelligent flight feature, as well as an excellent shock absorption. Even better, the camera can turn 9-sided to give you a variety of angles. It's also one of the most affordable alternatives, making it an ideal choice for beginners. In terms of battery, you can get 26 minutes of flight, which is truly impressive. The Holystone HS720 is equipped with the superb 5G internet connection, which allows you to explore the landscape in real time. What makes it an even more perfect drone for beginners is the built-in LED display on the transmitter. Not to mention that the integrated app is easy to navigate and use. This drone is also quite lightweight at just 520 g. It does have some drawbacks, including a frustratingly long charge time of 7 hours. The charger that comes with the Holystone HS720 is known to be quite unresponsive. This can be a hassle if you are moving along when you travel and cannot find enough time to charge the drone. Of course, you can always purchase spare batteries for backup, or pick up a portable power station so you can charge batteries when on the go. Overall, at a price point of just under $250, you get LOT for your money, and that even makes this an affordable backpacking gift for the traveler in your life. Number 5. Karma Drone by GoPro. If you document your travels, you're probably familiar with GoPro. But did you know that they make more than just action cameras? The Karma Drone, for example, is another one of their popular products. It's on the heavy side at 1006, which means you do need to register with the FAA before flying. However, it does come with the GoPro Hero 5 4K camera, so you can be sure that you'll get world-class image results. This includes 12 megapixel CMOS 1/2.3 inch sensors and the ability to capture 4K video. Note that you must unscrew the propellers to fit the drone into its case. While it will take only a minute, this can be an inconvenience if you're traveling quickly. It also doesn't come with collision detection or auto-landing features. With that said, the Karma Drone has tight controls that let you fly into small crevices and even indoors. It also boasts excellent stabilization and a rather silent operation. Number 4. Parrot Anafi. Another small folding drone that is perfect for traveling is the Parrot Anafi. In fact, this drone is one of our top choices for the best DJI alternatives. This portable drone weighs just 320 g and measures just a bit longer than an average phone, making it a brilliant choice for longer travels and backpacking trips. One annoying thing about drones is they can be quite loud, but the Parrot Anafi is incredibly quiet. It's actually one of the quietest drones out there, thanks to its light and wide propellers. Moreover, this drone offers beautiful 21 MP photos and 4K videos, which are complemented with a 3-axis hybrid stabilization and up to 3x digital zoom when recording. However, this drone doesn't have any safety features, which means it is less than ideal for beginners who have never flown a drone before. It's also a shame that you have to make additional purchases to unlock the different intelligent flight modes. Number 3. DJI Mavic Air 2S. The DJI Mavic Air 2S is considerably smaller and lighter than the Pro 2, which makes it the ideal choice if you're looking for something more compact. We recommend this drone to immortalize your remote adventures and long-term travels, as its weight of only 595 g makes it easy to travel with. The drone camera quality is still laudable thanks to the 20MP, 1 Type-C MOS sensors, and lens that is equivalent to 22 mm. This means you can shoot open vistas with the Mavic Air 2S. In addition to 3-axis gimbals, its rock-steady EIS will give you extra stable and steady footage. This can be useful if you are recording outdoor activities that are faster and rougher. Even better, it can capture 5.4K/30 video for an extremely detailed result. It's an overall excellent drone with premium obstacle detection and avoidance, as well as automated flight and safety features. Number 2. DJI Mavic Pro 2. If, like us, you really want the best of the best in terms of spec, and aren't fussed about having a slightly larger drone, then this is the one to go for. We have used and loved the Mavic Pro, and this one is its newer and updated successor. We think the photo and video quality is fantastic and have had no major issues with flying, which is why we highly recommend getting the Pro 2. It is by no means heavy, coming in at only 907 grams. The DJI Mavic Pro offers some impressive features and picture quality. It's perfect for those who are looking to up their travel documentation game, as this drone can easily capture RAW images and 10-bit 4K videos. One thing to note, however, is that when flying in areas where there are large mountains or rocks, then drone signal loss can be experienced. We haven't lost a drone yet, but it's something to be aware of. The Pro 2 specifically features high-quality Hasselblad cameras, which are known for its excellent camera quality and will give you stunning 20MP aerial shots. It features a superb gimbal so you can enjoy professional results even under bad weather conditions. Unfortunately, this gimbal structure means you can't rotate the camera and use it in portrait mode. Number 1. DJI Mavic Mini 2. Our number 1 choice is, of course, from DJI. We recommend getting the Mini 2. Perfect regardless of your drone experience, and fantastic if you are just starting out and looking for something robust yet extra affordable. Weighing in at only 249 g, this drone doesn't require FAA registration to operate, although you will still need a license for commercial purposes. This is what makes this drone our top pick for travel purposes. In terms of spec, it is not quite as powerful as a couple other drones from DJI, such as the Mavic 3. For general travel purposes, it offers more than enough, but is more compact and lightweight, so is overall a better choice. Overall, it is an incredible drone, and a much upgraded replacement to the famous DJI Spark. What we love the most is its ultra portability. Imagine you can fit the Mini 2 inside your jacket pocket when folded. Don't worry, as the 12MP camera can still give you high-quality photos and 4K videos. It also has a pretty solid battery life of 30 minutes, as well as the essential safety features and access to the DJI Fly app. This includes the Fly-Safe geofence system to prevent you from flying in restricted areas and avoid legal conflicts. Definitely a plus when you're traveling somewhere new. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best travel drone in 2022. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.